Good day, everyone. For those who do not know me, my name is Anton Crano. I am the Managing Director of Crocom, which was established in 2012. I've been involved with eFiling since 2002 and eFile since inception in 2009. The webinar is focusing on eFile. It will cover the basics of eFile, and I will take you through the installation of eFile functionality, eFile do's and don'ts, eFile and eFiling interconnectivity, and eFile known issues and the way to get around them, as well as a Q&A session. I'm going to be spending quite a bit of time on the Q&A session, so yes, prepare your questions, and even if you can send them in earlier to CPD, that would be great so that I can see whether I can cover those during the webinar. So come and join me for the webinar for some hints and tips on the best way forward with eFile. Have a great day. Bye.